A very happy birthday, Rita Di. What do I say about the Rita Ganguly? I mean, she's an icon. I mean, not just a theater actor, a teacher, a dance guru, a singer, a vocalist, someone who enjoys poetry as much as she enjoys cinema and literature and dance, and not just Indian dance, even Western or contemporary dance. I mean, I'm too small a person to talk about her talents. While everyone knows her as an icon, I mean, the entire world knows about her and what a great artist she is. I would like to talk about the humane side of her. I mean, I have known her as some kind of a godmother because uh, I am a journalist, but I took to her instantly the moment I met her. I mean, she was so kind, and she insisted that I have meal with her. She's an excellent cook too, and ever since then, we have bonded uh, so well that she's always been guiding me. More than anything else, I also feel that she's so enthusiastic about everything. I mean, she's celebrating her 80th birthday, but it seems as if she's only 25. She keeps asking me about various things, about various cinema, music, about concerts. Not that she doesn't know, but she wants to know what I feel about them, which is so refreshing. I mean, artists usually are full of themselves, but she's so rare. And as I said, she's so human, she's so affectionate. I mean, not just younger artists, younger people, her students, so many younger artists, take inspiration from her. And I remember one very well known vocalist, she's probably at the top now, told me that she's someone who can scold her today for any of the faults she has as a singer. And that's very rare because as I said, artists usually are self-centered people, and it's so refreshing to know that someone is there to guide you, to help you through any problems, any difficulties. And I think she's so rare. I mean, full of energy, full of beans, full of talent. And talent, what talent? I mean, what can I talk about her talent? There's so much in her that I don't think someone like me can even evaluate the kind of talent she has. But it just goes to show that the kind of affection and respect she has earned in the art fraternity is so rare, and that says it all. Because whoever you talk to, whoever you interact with, has only good things to say about her. And that is something I think we all should remember. And my salutes to her on her 80th birthday. I wish she continues to be like this forever, and maybe she lives for another 100 years to help us, to guide us through all kinds of artistic endeavors. And I wish her all the best. And also Arijit and Meghna, who are like also pillars and who have inherited a lot of her talent. My good wishes and my all my best wishes to the family. God bless her.